When it comes to your security, there is no room for error. Make sure your visitor badges can't be reused with the only color-changing visitor badge that activates itself. This is the TAB-Expiring Visitor Pass, the world's most efficient expiring solution. It's called TAB-Expiring because the expiration components are part of the tab attached to the self-adhesive badge. Unlike traditional expiring badges that require assembly of multiple pieces, this patented one-piece design makes activation virtually foolproof. Available for both manual and electronic visitor management systems, the TAB-Expiring Visitor Pass guarantees proper activation every time and saves time at the front desk too. Here's how it works. After the visitor's information is written or printed onto the badge, it's peeled from the liner and the tab is folded behind the badge. This is all it takes to activate the color-changing chemistry, guaranteed. Overnight, a void image appears on the badge, discouraging reusage by visitors who have left. Valid today, void tomorrow. The TAB-Expiring Visitor Pass always lets you know who has permission to be in your facility and who doesn't, because security is built right in.